mistake with your local AI setup. Every single day, thousands of developers download Ollama or LM Studio thinking they have reached peak local AI, only to realize they are missing out on open source AI's biggest performance multiplier, Unsloth. In this breakdown, we're comparing Unsloth AI head-to-head against Open WebUI, LM Studio, Ollama, and vLLM. So you can supercharge your setup for speed, interface, and 10x custom model control. To see why Unsloth is game-changing, we must break down the 3 tiers of local AI. At layer 1, inference engines like Ollama and vLLM serve raw model weights over lightning-fast APIs. At layer 2, desktop applications like LM Studio and Open WebUI give you clean chat interfaces, RAG, and document uploads. And standing at layer 3 is Unsloth AI, the specialized engine engineered specifically for fine-tuning and customizing models on your own hardware. Let's examine the desktop favorites, Ollama and LM Studio. Ollama brings Docker-like simplicity to LLMs, letting you pull models with one command while hosting a background REST API. LM Studio delivers a polished desktop app featuring visual Hugging Face model search, multi-model side-by-side testing, and precise GPU offloading sliders. Both run natively on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux for immediate out-of-the-box local chatting. When you need a self-hosted ChatGPT alternative for Teams, Open WebUI combined with vLLM is unbeatable. Open WebUI gives you multi-user access control, retrieval-augmented generation, web search integration, and voice synthesis. Pair it with vLLM's page detection engine, and your server can handle hundreds of concurrent requests with enterprise token throughput. So why is Unsloth AI stealing the spotlight across open source AI? While inference runners only execute static pre-built weights, Unsloth lets you train and fine-tune models like Llama 3, DeepSeek R1, and QN2, 5 on your own hardware. By rewriting PyTorch math into custom Triton CUDA kernels, Unsloth slashes VRAM usage by up to 5 times faster, with zero accuracy loss. You can literally train a 70B model or a DeepSeek reasoning model on a single GPU or even free Google Colab. Here is how the entire ecosystem stacks up head-to-head. Ollama and LM Studio offer effortless zero-setup inference, but they cannot fine-tune model weights. Open WebUI delivers rich web features and document workflows, but requires a backend engine to serve models. Unsloth AI installs cleanly via Python and PyTorch, giving you full fine-tuning control, low array adapters, and one-click GGUF export for Ollama. Instead of choosing just one tool, top AI developers combine them into a single powerhouse pipeline. Step 1. Fine-tune your custom dataset in record time using Unsloth AI. Step 2. Export your custom weights directly to 4-bit GGUF format inside Unsloth. Step 3. Load your fine-tuned GGUF into Ollama or LM Studio and connect it to Open WebUI for your end users. Here is your final verdict. Use Ollama for quick local terminal APIs, LM Studio for desktop testing, Open WebUI for team deployment, and Unsloth AI whenever you want custom model superpowers. Check out the links in the description to get started, and hit that subscribe button for more high-performance AI deep dives.